I'm Heidi Pope, and I and my husband Jeff are the founders of Expat Connector. Expat Connector has been founded with our passion for international travel. We are currently expatriates in our second country. We have 5 years of experience of the day-to-day highs and lows of being a business owner. With a successful marketing and design business, we are learning the challenges of living abroad and beginning the business over. We founded Expat Connector because we found that one item missing for an entrepreneur in expat groups was just that, the entrepreneur, the business owner, with many opportunities to connect socially, to do language cafes, to meet others. Having that common interest of being a business owner, starting a business, working on your business, ideas of a business, those are exciting things that we wanted to bring a community together for.